Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Steve, and I have changed up my studio quite a bit, if you haven't been able to tell. I've actually moved my desk over there. I've got my recording area right here, and on my lap, I've got a new watch. Now, this watch right here is my first ever Tudor, and no, it is not a Black Bay, because I am sick and tired of the Black Bay. Oh my God, that's all anyone talks about is the Black Bay. This is not a Black Bay. So if you're expecting a Black Bay, please click off. It's not a Black Bay. But if you do have a Black Bay, there is nothing wrong with that watch at all. It is a phenomenal piece. I've tried on the 58 many times. I've tried on the 41, the chronographs. I think they're great. The only one I would add would be the silver case Black Bay. What is it, the 825, I want to say? I just love the gray dial with that silver case. I think it looks phenomenal. Not going to add it to my collection right now. But before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below and that like button. I couldn't do this without you guys. And I just want to see you guys here more often. So, all right, let's go ahead, take this Tudor over to the table and unbox this. So I bought this watch on eBay, and it did go through the authentication program, which I really love. It only adds like an extra day to the entire process. So this is my third time using eBay's authentication program, and yeah, it just comes packaged beautifully. Comes with a authenticity guarantee here. Let me go ahead and just check the back of this. Let me go ahead and get some of these gloves on. All right, so here we go. Now that we have the gloves on, this is my first ever Tudor, so I'm getting very excited to open this box up. And here we go. What Tudor do you guys think it's going to be? I don't know. It's probably one that you wouldn't expect. But we'll see. We'll see if you guys can guess it. So, overall, this box is very nice. I don't know how many of you guys have bought a Tudor before, but it looks pretty good. I like the packaging so far. It feels very heavy. So, here we go. Ooh, yes. There it is. The Tudor Royale. It even comes with a little bezel cover there. The Tudor Royale in two-tone, black and gold. Oh my God. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that beauty. Okay, here we go. Let's do a little flip lock here. Check that out. Oh my God, it's so nice. Got a little sticker there. No returns if removed. There we go. I love it. Oh my God, it feels so nice in the hand. I am so excited to try this on. Anytime I want like an integrated bracelet watch, I've been looking at this one, and yeah, finally I found one for the right price. And it's just perfect. It is just perfect. I wonder if it's sized to my wrist. I am not sure. It looks like he took all the links off the one side. I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put this on real quick. And here it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. Ooh, it just looks so good with that black and gold two-tone. Oh my God, it looks amazing. Now, if you guys haven't seen, I made a gold watch comparison video, and I made note of how I liked the black dial with the gold. And here we have a solid gold bezel and two-tone bracelet. Oh my God, it looks so good. I'm not sure if the hands are actually gold and the numerals are real gold. I'm not sure about that. I know the links are capped gold. The crown and the bezel itself is, I believe, 18 karat gold, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my God, it just looks so good. I'm a big fan of integrated bracelets. I'm a big fan of bracelets on watches. I'm not the biggest leather guy, but just having a nice, well integrated bracelet, it's just something else. It is just something else. My mouth is on the floor. I don't even know what to say right now. This is just an amazing looking watch. I'm so excited that I added this to the collection this year. I'm excited that I actually had the extra funds laying around to pull the trigger on this because it was at a great price, and I cannot wait to wear this all the time now. So there it is, the 41 millimeter Tudor Royal two-tone with black dial. That's a mouthful. I absolutely love this thing. Oh my God, it just looks so beautiful on the wrist. I have been looking for this watch for the longest time. Luckily, I found one. I found one at a great price. Now, I do want to make a video detailing how I buy watches, how I save to buy a watch, what I look for in watches on the used market, on the new market, everything. My Omega Seamaster and now this Tudor I've bought on eBay through their authentication process for a ridiculous discount. Absolutely insane discount on both of those watches. And it's all about timing and it's all about having funds set aside for these watch purchases and jumping on those opportunities whenever they do present themselves. So I'm going to make a video of that later on, hopefully relatively soon. But every time I say that, it always gets pushed off a year. But what are you going to do? Anyways, let me know what you think of the Tudor Royale, or is it Royal? The Tudor Royal. There's no E at the end. Let me know what you guys think of the Tudor Royal down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please hit that like button and that subscribe button. It really does wonders for me and it really does help the channel a lot. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.